I'm Maria Tkachenko, a founder and the general manager of ZIFFER Group in Luxembourg. ZIFFER Group combines a family office service boutique called ZIFFER LU, an early-stage VC fund called tobe.lu, and a platform providing services to startups called Easy Start. Our clients are private investors, families that wish to preserve and pass on to the next generation its wealth, investors with bigger risk appetite, asset managers, entrepreneurs, and innovative startups. They all have one demand in common. They need an efficient and easy-to-use investment vehicle that would allow them to streamline financial flows and invest globally. What would be your considerations when choosing an investment vehicle? Ours are cost effectiveness, high reputation among international banks, strong protection for investors, and flexibility to allow a sophisticated investment strategy. Luxembourg scores high in all four. We are based in Luxembourg, we know Luxembourg, and we believe that Luxembourg is the right place for private investors and innovative startups. Please join us for a live discussion at Bosco Online Workshop this Thursday on the 22nd of October. We look forward to answering your questions and hearing your comments. Thank you and see you there.